Alright, so we're back for some more of this stupid game. And yeah, it's just basically part 1. I'm dang it, part 2, I mean. Of me playing this odd game. Wish you could sprint. Well, okay, okay, that makes more sense now. Alright, this is really large. That's what she said. Oh, it's inappropriate, I'm sorry. But anyway. Alright. What's that? Ah. Alright. I don't really know where I'm going, to be honest. I'm just kind of walking around. I kind of want to go over there, but I kind of don't at the same time. Oh god, there's a lot of them. I don't know what the whole bone thing is. I feel like I can use it, but... This game is so retarded. Alright, there's a lot of them. Not really a lot, but... It's hard to, like, shoot this game because the sensitivity is really fast. And there's no options or anything. Ah. Ah. Ah, crap. Alright, I can level up. There we go. Alright, there's blue dots and to go best. Oh, okay, that's what that is. What kind of room is this? Poor cats didn't make it. Oh. No, there's a lot of zombies. I do not like these. Nope. 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 Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Stay still. Die. I don't understand what gatos are. Like, somebody should leave in the comments what that is, because I don't know. I'll probably Google it after this. But, to be quite honest, I don't know what a gatos is. I feel bad, he's not this guy's catnip. I'm a busy cat, stay out of my way. Sprinkles, let me talk to you. Okay, well, now you've got my attention. Excuse me. So you want in on the smuggling operation? Maybe it could be useful to me. Let me give you the details, and you can decide if you want in. Sure, let me know the details. Or not now. Okay, yeah, sure, let me. As apocalypse and fall of mankind, cats had to find a new way to survive. The fat cats living on the handouts of their owners were the first to go. Only the strong ones are able to survive. As you already know, we are immune to the virus, blah blah blah. But that doesn't protect us from becoming zombie chow. The cats started bending together and formed. Okay. Whisker Town is the largest of these colonies. There are less than 20,000 cats living within the colony. Kittens in there know nothing of the hell that exists outside the city gates. The older cats. This is so weird. Of Whisker Town have imposed. Okay, like look at the people that are like just kind of standing there. He's just like raping my person. Anyway, the penalty of cat is 100 sprays in the face with a spray bottle for the first time offenders. Repeat offenders are banished from the colony for good. Very few cats. They arrest smuggling catnip, but not all cats are so afraid. We got connections with a criminal element within Whisker Town called the Crimson Paw. The Crimson Paw. They are ready to make a deal with me. You in? Why would I risk my tail for you? Literally. Ha ha ha. I can make you rich, very rich, like golden litter box rich. you sign, you sign with me and you'll be making gatos faster than you know how to spend them. Sounds good? Yeah, sure sounds good. Made the right choice. There's a cat named Leo to the east of here. He is a member of the Crimson Paw. He'll tell you what to do next. Here, I will mark his location on your map. I'm giving you 5,000 gatos to stock up on supplies. That go, time is short. Well, that's mighty nice. Alright. Let's go this way. Wow, it's already been 5 minutes. Sorry, I'm just gonna steal your stuff. What's this? Hey there, stranger, that you're new here. My name is Mo. I'm a house cat, or I was a house woman once. Blah blah. Blah blah. Blah blah. Blah blah. Blah blah. I think she gave me money, I'm not sure. Kinda like skipped through that. Crap, I keep forgetting what the blue ones are, or what the blue little dots are. Well, I guess I'll go find out. Holy crap. Alright, this might take a while. Alright. Alright, the blue sub is ammo. Money, 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 money. Alright, so episode 1 will probably be uploaded sometime today, maybe tomorrow, which is Monday or Sunday, and then this will probably be uploaded on, wait, I'm not telling you this, doesn't matter, it'll already be uploaded. Yeah, I'm just trying to think out right now, because I try and like, which I don't really do a good job at, because you guys don't really see videos from me during the week, because my parents don't let me play Xbox or whatever during the weekend, or yeah, during the week. Don't ask me why, because I don't know, but alright, I'm sorry, but anyway, so yeah, I try and like my best to like kind of stockpile up on videos, which I do a horrible job at, because I don't know, this past week or two I haven't really been uploading that much during the week. Okay, I didn't mean to use the catnip. I'm a druggie. Ah. Oh cool, I can level up. I'm gonna keep doing the what? There we go. Okay. There we go. Probably gonna like try and get to the little X and then end the video there, which I'm going the wrong way. And there's a lot of zombies, holy crap. Screw that. And now I'm going into more. Lovely. Should've gone, oh crap. Oh god. That's a lot of zombies. And their power, oh screw that. They're not just normal zombies either. Alright, screw it, I guess just shoot him. Maybe I can make a run for it. Yeah. Alright, that wasn't that bad. Ah. I need to get to that X. I don't know how. Hashtag team problems. Oh, balls. Sorry I'm not talking that much in this video. Just kinda Trying to get through. And the video is at 10 minutes now, and I can only upload up it won't let me upload if it's 15 minutes or longer. So I'm trying to hurry up and like get to a save point. Oh, like balls. That's a lot. I love like this is like crowding around each other. The ones that shoot are, oh crap. Alright, I'm out of ammo. Alright, I'm gonna juke him. Yeah. Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. I'm not gonna juke him. I'm not gonna juke him. Dang it. Alright, well, ew, that's gross. You dies. That's horrible. Alright, well, I suppose I'll try next time. So yeah, until then, thanks for watching, and back to you, Tom.